Hey guys, Adam from New Horizon Code here, and today I'll be teaching you guys some basic word filtering via inputs. This sort of function can be pretty handy if you have some sort of family-friendly forum or something along those lines where you just want to block some words from being used in a post. So for example, as you can see, the banned words in my database these are all banned words. So if I was to type hello there, I'll get a post successful, but if I was going to say hello banned words, you'll see that the banned words were found, and I'm asking the user to please rephrase. Found words were banned and words. As you can see, they are banned here. So how does that functionality work? Well, we've got two workflows set up here. First one is green, that's showing, hey, that was successful, no words were found, go ahead and post that. Or, hey, we've found some bad words, let's deny that post. So let's have a look at this. So we start when input A's value is, and then we find and replace. We then use a regex pattern, which will be in the comments section below, the description below, that is checking for any sort of special characters here. So one thing I noticed during testing is when I was to post this, that would come up as bad words found, but if I was to simply add this or like this at the end, then it would let me post that. So this regex pattern just sort of removes those characters throughout the check so we can really make sure that we've got no banned words in there. And then we split them by a space here. So then that allows us to sort of check each word individually, and then we intersect, and that just allows us to group one sort of section of words, which is the input, with the banned words database. And then what we do is we check the first item for all words, and we check that that count is 0. So there was 0 words found, and that allows us to post that. So the database is set up very simply. So we've got our banned words, and it's words. It's simply a list of words. If we were to check it out here, you can see that's all it is. These are all banned words. If I was to add hello and retry this, you'll see that this is also a banned word. So the is not banned, post, but hello, like we did before, is a banned word. And we can simply just keep on expanding into those banned words as you see fit. So that's how we checked that there was no bad words found. So how do we check there was a bad word found? So it's pretty much just replicating that workflow, although what we're checking is the count is not 0. So as long as it's not 0, then we're not going to allow that comment, obviously. So let's look over this sort of only when statement one more time. So when the input A, which is our comment input value is, and again, all this is doing is checking for any special characters and removing them. Just it's not removing them out of the sentence. So if we were to save this, that hello is not being removed. That exclamation mark is not being removed at all. It's just during the search we've removed it to make sure that we can really filter down each word individually. We split each word by a space. So if we were to do hello test, it would come through like this. Well, it would actually come through like this. And then we intersect, and what intersect does is it takes that and intersects it with another data type, and that data type is of course banned words, and we check that the words, which is that list of words, count is 0, and again we can post. If it is not 0, then we can't post. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I will be sure to get back to you. Have a good day guys, bye.